Okay, this is Rawson's Wang funny videos. And this part is going to be one of the funniest ones yet, and I'm going to tell you a little bit why we call it Rawson's. Rawson is Ryan and Austin mixed together. And Wang is like gang, but it's like we just made up Wang. And funny videos is funny videos. So, we know these are kind of weird, some of them, but you try making your own web show. It's hard. This is our first thing. It's kind of, well, it's not really a web show, it's a video, but whatever. So, okay. But if you have any comments for whatever we can do, but just comment us and we'll find it. Okay, but alright, this one's called killing neighbors, or beating up neighbors. So we're just gonna kill the next person who comes by, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Let's go. I'm gonna go get my club. Okay. This is my tool of destruction. Golf club. Made out of wood. We put on bags so they don't really know who we are. See? Bags. But they know who I am because I don't have a face mask. Okay, let's go. Look at his underwear bag. It's the best. He's using the bat.
Alright, here we go.
Okay, we're going to kill him. Here, there's my golf club.
Okay. Alright, it might take a while for us to set up, but we gotta find some guy coming down.
Okay, where's the guy? Oh my gosh, there's somebody.
Hurry up, put it down. Put it down so I don't see it.
Okay, I gotta hide the camera. So, we're gonna put it right in front of our street. We'll just wait for him, okay?
No. Go. Okay, go! Come here! You saw that guy get beat up. That's our show for right now. Alright, we'll make more that are funny, but remember, send us comments. Thank you.